Hello my dear friends, I prepared an interesting task for you. Here in the picture you can see all the objects that we have already learned. Bath mat, bath brush, soap and soap dish, bath, sponge, rubber duck, toilet paper, towel, tap, basin, toilet brush, toothpaste and toothbrush, mirror, toilet. Let's color them and cut them out. Now you may arrange objects as you want. Now I'll glue them. Look at my bathroom. I have a toilet. It's grey. I have a toilet brush. It's pink. I have toilet paper. It's blue. 2 towels. 1, 2. One towel is purple and green. Second one is green and purple. In my bathroom I have a toothbrush. It's pink. And a toothpaste. It's yellow with cherries. I also have bath brush. It's pink. And soap dish. Soap is purple and soap dish is pink. I have a big mirror. Its frame is purple. I have a basin and a tap. Tap is gray. Basin is green. I have a big bath. It's green. Tap is gray. My favorite duck is yellow and red. I also have a sponge in my bathroom. It's orange and yellow. And a tap, it's orange. This is how my bathroom looks like. So, look at my bathroom. Now it's ready. Thank you for coming to the lesson. Bye-bye.